how to use Instagram app. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you the basic features of Instagram that might be helpful for you. So if you are a beginner to use Instagram, this video will be helpful to you. So let's get started. So first of all, you will have to open the Instagram app, and after opening the Instagram app, you will look such interface on your device. So on this video I will cover up main features of the Instagram. So like you can see on this Instagram home section, I can see all of the posts, pictures or videos from here, and simply I can like the videos by clicking on this like option, or can comment by clicking on this comment option, or even can share the picture or video by clicking on this share option. So I will be able to share this picture or video to my friends on different platforms. So talking to the save feature of Instagram, so when you click on this save option, the video or photos is directly saved to your private profile. So likewise, when you tap on this save option, this video will be saved to your personal account. So talking to another function, you can search the picture or video by their names or hashtag from this search field, or you can create your own post or reels from here. Like you have to click on this plus icon, and you will be able from here to create your story, reels or live. So simply you can do it from here. So on the other hand, you can also look out your profile section by clicking on this profile icon just at the bottom right corner of your screen. Okay, so from this interface, you can see how many posts you have been posted, or the followers and following list of your account. So these are the main features that might be helpful while using the Instagram at first time. So hope this video was helpful to you. Please don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.